Welcome to Fabi. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to get started in less than 5 minutes. The first thing that you'll want to do in Fabi is connect or upload your data. You can either upload a file or connect to Google Sheet, or you can connect to hundreds of data sources. Simply go to a data source, say connect a new data source, and here you can pick from databases, data warehouses, or hundreds of applications. But to get started, the fastest way to do it is simply upload a file. So click upload a file, select a file, and hit open. Great. Now the AI has access to our data. You can start asking it questions about your data in plain English. So for example, what are the top states and product categories by sales? And the Analyst Agent fully understands the context of your business and your data. As a matter of fact, you can even give the AI additional context in our advanced configurations as you connect new data sources. The AI will write a mix of SQL and Python behind the scenes to answer any questions, but you don't have to know SQL or Python. That is fully optional. And there you go. Now, you can choose to simply stay in this chat interface and just keep chatting with the AI. As a matter of fact, you can even go into the full screen mode and just talk to the AI here and get your insights. But if you want to save your work and make sure it's repeatable and also share it with your colleagues, you can accept the AI's suggestions and save this work by simply clicking Save to Analysis. This will take the blocks that the AI has generated and put them here in the left-hand side in what we call a Smartbook. Let's go ahead and hide our AI chat here for a second. If you zoom in here, you can see how the AI constructed the analysis. Now, if you're more comfortable with a traditional Jupyter Notebook view, seeing your blocks in a top-down list, you can simply go over to this list view, and I will show you this exact same familiar view to you. The workflow view, though, is a fantastic way to understand exactly how the AI is constructing the analysis. Now, for more technical individuals, you can always zoom in here and, for example, expand the code and edit the code directly yourself if you like, but you don't have to if you don't know SQL or Python that well. Now, you can simply share this work here by going to share and entering the email address of your colleagues, but you can also turn this into an interactive dashboard. Simply go over to Build a Dashboard, and this will show you the output of these various blocks the AI has created for you. So you can, for example, remove certain elements. Let's remove these tables, and you can resize and readjust any charts as you see fit. Now, of course, you can schedule this dashboard to run at a certain schedule, at a certain cadence. And once you're ready, you simply hit Publish Dashboard, and this will publish a dashboard that is now ready to be shared with anyone on your team. Again, just like with the Smartbook, when you're ready to share it, simply go up here in the top right-hand side, click Share, and enter the email address of your teammates. Now, this just scratches the surface of things you can do in Fabi. You can add filters and inputs to these dashboards. You can turn them into data apps. You can also automate workflows and send your data back to Google Sheets or Slack and email, for example. And just like that, you're ready to start analyzing. And of course, if you have any questions along the way, please feel free to reach out.